Hi, welcome to Project Grow. In the upcoming video series, we will be looking into the usage of Microsoft Excel. What is Excel? Microsoft Excel or MS Excel for short is a spreadsheet application which is mainly used to collect, organize and analyze different types of data. It can also be used to visualize data in a graphical format. MS Excel is a commonly used spreadsheet application in many companies and organizations. In the upcoming video series, we will be looking into various functions of MS Excel in detail along with sample data which will help in better understanding of the application. In this series, we will be using the latest version of MS Excel which is a part of the Microsoft 365 Office suite. We have purposefully created short videos for each functions and topics for better understanding and to ensure that the topic is easy to follow up. This video is suitable for absolute beginners who have the need to learn Excel from scratch and those who don't have any experience in using Excel. This video will also be useful for users who want to refresh their Excel skills. Along the way, we will also be looking into various shortcuts which could be used to simplify the process. Hope you enjoy this video series. See you in the first episode.